I don't have the question. Fine. You tell me the question. That's enough. 10th question. You tell me the question. Tell me. A body is thrown up vertically up, okay, from ground with a velocity v0. Okay. Simultaneously, another body is dropped. Initial velocity is 0. What they are telling? They are meeting at h by 2. Correct? This is also h by 2. What are you asked to find out? Are asked to find out v0. v0. You are asked to find out v0 or t0? v0. They meet at the point h by 2. Okay, fine. Suppose let the time taken is t. Assume time taken is t. You tell me what is the displacement traveled by the first object or the second object which is dropped from height h. Which equation you need to use? S is equal to ut plus half t square. The point object A. Object A. What is displacement traveled in time t? What is displacement traveled? H by 2. H by 2. What is initial velocity? 0. It is drop. Half acceleration is g t square. Q2 gets cancelled. T square is equal to h by g. T is equal to root of h by t is equal to root of h by g. Okay. Now consider the object B which is thrown up. What's the equation? S is equal to t minus half t square. Correct? Displacement is h by 2 equal to u. T is substitute of h by t minus half into g into t square is h by g. Correct? g cancel. H by 2 minus h by 2. When it comes this side, what will you get? H by 2 plus h by 2 equal to u into root of h by g. H plus 2 plus h plus 2 is 2. How much? H is equal to u into root of h by g, or u initial velocity, correct, is equal to h into root of g by h. That is h when it goes out inside will be h square g by h. Yes, Ruchi? No doubt. See, go step by step. That's all. Okay, it may be lengthy, but if you go step by step, there is every possibility that you are getting correct answer. Okay. It's okay. Eighth one is not done. Let me check. A body falls freely from the top of a tower. If it covers 36% of the total height h in the last second before striking the ground, the height of the tower is, okay, fine. Height of the tower 125 meters. Got it? Very good. What is given? Body is dropped from some height, and they are telling that in last 1 second it covers 0.36 height, 36% of the total height. That means 0.36 total height. Okay. Suppose the total time taken is t is equal to 1. That means in last 1 second it covers 0.36 height. So what will be the distance covered in t minus 1 second? In t minus 1 second, it will cover 0.64 h. Right. Yes. Now, if h is the total height and t is the total time taken, okay, you know that h is equal to ut plus half gt square. U is 0 because it is dropped from certain height. Correct. So h can be written as h is equal to half g t square. Yes. Now we'll write this equation for t minus 1 second. 0.64 h equal to half g t minus 1. 0.64 h is equal to half t minus 1 whole square. Okay. For h, you substitute half gt square. For h, substitute half gt square. 0.64 into half gt square is equal to half g t minus 1 square. Half g cancel. 0.64 t square is equal to t minus 1 square. 0.8 t is equal to t minus 1. Or from this, what are you asked to find out? Height of the tower, right? T you find out, then you can find out height of the tower. Okay, do it. Right, do it. You did it in the same method. Okay.
We have given that V from Brockham height under 2gh and equating for this equation.
Distance traveled in?
That I did it in rough.
This one is velocity you are equating.
Yes.
Velocity is equal to u plus at. Correct. T is 1. A is root of 2g into 0.64h. I mean this velocity u plus g into t 1. Okay. So 2gh is equal to 2gh 0.64 into 2gh plus g. Okay. G cancel 2h. You'll get that. Fine, no problem. Completed. Simplify it. If you simplify this, you'll get t is equal to 5 seconds. You will get. Yes. Yes or no? Sikta? No? Take square root on both sides. 0.64 t square root is to 0.8 t. 0.8 t is equal to t minus 1. 1 is equal to t minus 0.8 t is to 0.2 t. 1 is equal to 0.2 t. What is t? 1 by 0.2. That is 5 seconds. Okay, what is h? Half into g 10 t square 25. Correct? Hmm? Yes. Got it. Ruchi, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Completed? ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes. And what you did, it's good actually. Shorter method. Very good. I'll try that once. Completed? Fine. So yesterday's work is done. Did all the problems? Any doubt in any of the problems? Ruchi? No? You? I'll tell you your name. Darshan? No doubt. Rakshita? No doubt. Inke? No doubt. No doubt in any of these problems. Okay. Fine. Today I have a worksheet. Okay. Give you that. I shall give you 5 minutes time. 15 questions are there. Maximum 10 minutes time. Try to solve as many questions as possible. Let me check. The topic is written there. Okay. Easy. Just constant and variable acceleration. That's all. Okay. I go through it fast and do it. Yes. Do it fast. Okay. Everything is easy. Tomorrow I'll be solving previous year questions. Saturday and Monday or Tuesday you'll have test. Okay. Yes, Rakshita, start doing it. Yes. What's the problem? Write the given things. Write down. Write the equation. Let me see. See, acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Okay, 20 alla 2 meter per second square. Change ಮಾಡಿರೋದು acceleration 2 meter per second square. Equation S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is to 0 plus half acceleration to t square 8 square answer 64 a square is to 8 square is to a square. 60%. What did you write? Oh, what happened to you people? She is writing 16, you are writing 56. Constant force acts for 4 seconds. Time is 4 seconds. What is this? U is 10 meter per second. So V is equal to 2 meter per second. In the opposite direction. That means minus. This is minus 2 meter per second. Acts in the opposite direction, right? Acceleration is gives a speed of 2 meter per second. That is final speed. V. In the opposite direction, minus. Time is given 4 seconds. Twelve by 4 is to V is 10 meter. Initial velocity is 10. What is this?
Sorry. Speed, sir.
Speed. Initial speed.
Velocity time, sir. 4 seconds. Yes.
For initial velocity, the final velocity.
Yes.
2 meter per second in the opposite direction. So minus.
Yes, sir.
Fast. 5 more minutes. ಯಾವ್ದಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ 10 meter per second. This is final 2 meter per second in the opposite direction, so it is minus. V n find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು acceleration V is equal to u plus at. Final velocity is to minus 2, initial is to 10 plus t is 4 into a. 10 plus 10, if you take this side, minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 4a. Minus 2 minus 10 is 2. Minus 12 equal to 4a. A is minus 12 by 4 is to Come on. Will do. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅದು ಏನಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ whatever it may be, why to worry? B is equal to ds by dt. Correct. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು is equal to 80. ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
Second one.
Second one.
V1 T1 is V2 formula.
You know that initial velocity is given 10 meter per second and t is equal to 4 second. Speed becomes 2 meter per second in the opposite direction. That means velocity is minus.
Yes.
So V is minus. V is equal to u plus at. minus 2 is equal to 10
Yes.
plus a into 4. Minus 2 minus 10 is equal to a into 4, or minus 12 by 4 is equal to a, that is minus 3. Mm. Velocity is 2, u is 2 meter per second. Okay. Acceleration is minus 0.1 meter per second square. Correct. S is equal to 15 meter. Find out. S is equal to T is, S is equal to ut plus half at square. S 15 is equal to u 2 into t minus half into 0.1 into t square. Which one? Fifth one.
2 times.
Draw the diagram first. You draw velocity time diagram. Velocity time diagram.
Starting from this.
0 origin. Mm.
2
ಮತ್ತೆ
constant speed
draw.
it increase
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್
speed. The 2 meter constant.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Velocity time. Acceleration is constant for 10 seconds. Vt graph is like this. ಮತ್ತೆ for next 30 second velocity constant velocity ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ diesel rate which mean velocity decrease till 0. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದು Vmax. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಏರಿಯಾ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ut plus half at square, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a is 0, so it is Vt. Displacement is the ut minus half at square. Vmax, here u is Vmax itself. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ರಿಟಾರ್ಡೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 100. 150 is equal to 1500 equal to 200t minus 5t square. 5t square minus 200t minus 1500 is equal to 0. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Equation 200 plus or minus square root of plus or minus square root of 200 square b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. 200 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 1500 by 2a by 10. $40,000. One more zero plus one more zero ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು. 20 into 1500 300 30,000. 0 ಅಂತ by 10 ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Eight. T minus square. T ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. First one should I do? All of you got the answer? First one answer 64 meter. Second one should I do? Minus 3 meter per second square. Second one. Okay. Third one. U 2 meter per second. Acceleration is minus 0.1 meter per second square. Displacement traveled is 15 meter. Time. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is 15 is equal to u 2t minus half into a is 0.1 into t square. That is 15 is equal to qt minus this is 0.05 t square. Correct? Okay. Multiply by 100. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1500 is equal to 200t minus 5t square. 5t square this side. 5t square minus 200t plus 1500 is equal to 0. 5 divided throughout by 5 you get t square minus 40t plus 5 divided by 1500 plus 300 equal to 0. Now minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b plus 40. So minus b square 1600 minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1, c is 300 by 2a is 2. That is 40 plus or minus square root of 1600 minus it. Spandana minus that you did plus minus 4 into 300 is to 1200. 1600 minus 1200 400. 40 plus or minus 20 by 2. That is equal to 60 by 2 or 20 by 2 is 30 or 10. 2 times. One is it is going in the direction, other is coming back. So which one you should take? And it is going. First time when it crosses, see, it is moving with some velocity. So it goes, it crosses this point. After some point, velocity becomes 0. Then it come back. Correct. So for T1 is 10 seconds, T2 is 30 seconds. So they are asking T1, that is 10 seconds. Okay. Got it? Understood? Easy? Fine. Next one. The motion of a particle is described by the equation V is equal to AT. The distance traveled by the particle in the first 4 seconds is, distance traveled by the particle in the first 4 seconds is, V is equal to AT. V can be written as we can be written as ds by dt equal to at, or ds equal to at dt. S is equal to a t square by 2. Distance first 4 seconds, 0 to 4 is a by 2 into 4 square 16, a by 2 4 square 16, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? 8a. What if you got this? Sikta, got this? Yes. Okay. Fifth one. A particle starts from rest, accelerates 2 meters per second for 10 seconds and goes for constant speed for 30 seconds and decelerates at 4 meters per second square till it stops. What is the distance traveled by? To do that, easiest way is to draw VT graph. V, what is given? Particle starts from rest. That means initial velocity is 0. Okay, start from this point. And accelerate at a rate of 2 meters per second for 10 seconds. What is VT graph for an object moving with a constant acceleration? A straight line having a positive slope. So, for how many seconds? 10 seconds. Then, for another 30 seconds, it is going with the constant, Lakshita, going with the constant velocity. That means VT graph is parallel to x-axis. So it is going with the constant velocity for another 30 seconds. That means 10 to 40. Correct? Now it is undergoing retardation of 4 meters per second till it stops. Velocity is 0. Now you find out one by one. What is given? U is given. U is given 0. A is 2 meters per second square. T is 10 seconds. What is V max? It is V. V is equal to U plus AT. 0 plus A is 2. T is 10. 20. So V is 20 meters per second square. So you write V is equal to 20 meters per second square. So V is 20 meters per second square. Okay. Now, so here V is 20 meters per second square. Here V is 20 meters per second square. Here V dash is 0. Acceleration is minus 4 meters per second square. To find out time, you know that V is equal to U plus 8. V is 0. U is initial velocity here is 20 meters per second. 20 minus 4 into T, or 20 by 4 is equal to T. That is 5 seconds. That means what? From here it takes 5 seconds. That means is 14. T. Correct? Now you are asked to find the total displacement. Find out. Let displacement traveled is S1, S2, S3. What is S1? Displacement traveled is S equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0 here. So it is half a t square. Half into a is 2 into t square is 10. 10 square 100. S1 is equal to 100 meters. Now S2. How to find out? S is equal to ut plus half at square. What is acceleration in this case? Acceleration is 0. What is time taken? 30 seconds. Time is 30 seconds. So S2 is ut plus half at square. Half at square 0. Ut. Ut is 20 into 30. 600 meters. Correct. Now S3. ut minus half at square. What is ut? 20 into 5. T is 5 minus half into a is 4 into t square is 24. 20 into 5 is to 100 minus 50, that is 15 meter. What is total displacement? S1 plus S2 plus S3. 750 meter. Answer is 750 meter. Can I erase this? Yes. A particle returns to the starting point after 10 seconds. If the rate of change of velocity is constant during the motion, then the location after 10 seconds will be same after. You can do it only by graph. The particle starts from a point A and they are telling that it returns after 10 seconds. Okay, and also given that rate of change of velocity is constant. That means acceleration is constant. It is moving in a straight line. That means if it returns to the point A after 10 seconds, for 5 seconds, it will be moving in this direction, and next 5 seconds, it will be moving in the other direction. Yes or no? And acceleration is constant throughout. Suppose in 1 second, the point is this one. I'll write P. 1 second. In 2 seconds, it is Q. 3 seconds, it is R. And 4 seconds, it is S. And 5th second, it is B. When coming back, 6th second, it will be S. 7th second, it will be R. 8th second, it will be Q. 9th second, it will be P. 10th second, it will be A. Correct? It is covering equal distance in equal interval of time. That is given. Acceleration is constant. Yes. So you tell me, what is the position? Then location after 7 seconds will be the same as that after 7 seconds. Occasionally, or after 3 seconds. 3 seconds and 7 seconds location is same. In 3rd second, while it is going in that direction, 7 seconds it is coming back. The answer is 3 seconds. Gottaita? Yes or no? Draw the diagram. And the explanation I'll tell you, you need to write. Okay? First to draw the diagram. Write down. Given that rate of change of velocity is constant, rate of change of velocity is constant, and the particle returns to starting point after 10 seconds. The particle returns to the starting point after 10 seconds. Stop. This means particle will be traveling in positive direction. Particle will be traveling in positive direction for 5 seconds. And at the end of 5th second, positive direction for first 5 seconds. You will be traveling in positive direction for first 5 seconds, and at the end of 5th second, at the end of 5th second, its velocity will be 0. Its velocity will be 0. Stop. The next moment onwards, it travels in the opposite direction. It travels in the opposite direction. And after 10th second, its position is its initial position. Its position is its initial position. Stop. Next slide. It can be understood by considering an object which is thrown vertically up. Considering an object which is thrown vertically up. See, when an object is thrown vertically up, what happens? If it is taking, no, just listen. If it is taking 1 second to go up, it will take 1 second to come back. If it takes 10 seconds to go up, it takes 10 seconds to come back. Okay. If it takes 5 seconds to reach the maximum height, it will take 5 seconds to come back. 4th second, it will be at some point, right? 5th second, maximum height. 6th second, the same point where it was at 4th second. 3rd second, it's at some point. 5th second, maximum height. 7th second, same point. 8th second means second. Understood? Time is 0, it is at ground. Time is 10, it is at ground. Can be understood like that. So from the diagram, it is clear that when it is at 7th second, position is R, and it was position when the time was 3 seconds. Clear? Rakshita, you did not sleep yesterday? Huh? Okay. 7th one. A body is moving with uniform velocity 8 meters per second. When the body just crossed another, the second one starts and moves with a uniform acceleration 4 meters per second. After which two bodies meet will be again. Object. Two bodies are moving in same direction. Okay. Eight meters per second. Okay. Body is moving in uniform direction. Moving with uniform velocity in same direction with 8 meters per second. And when body just crossed another body, so another body was here, so body A crossed this. When A crossed this, it starts accelerating with 4 meters per second square. They're asking what time, or after what time they're asking, or okay. At what time t they meet again. That means let time is t. What will be distance traveled by the first body? A will travel a distance traveled by A is with constant velocity, right? Acceleration for first body is 0. What will be the distance traveled by first body? V into t. What is its velocity? 8. 8 into t. Correct. What is distance traveled by the second body? SB. Initial velocity is 0. So distance traveled by second body is half into A is 4 into t square. Both are same. Only then they can meet after some time t. SA is equal to SB. 8t is equal to 2t square. T is equal to 4. Yes, understood. Yes. Eighth question. Eighth question. Two bodies, A and B, starts from rest from the same point with a uniform acceleration of 2 meters per second. There is a difference. B starts 1 second later. So A starts first. A starts first. Okay. And given that B starts 1 second later, then the two bodies are separated at the end of next second. That means for time for A is 2 seconds, time for B is 1 second. Yes or no? B starts 1 second later and they are asking displacement between them after 1 more second. That means total time for A is 2 seconds. For total time for B is 1 second. You tell me what is distance traveled by A in 2 seconds? Start from rest. U is 0, half AT square. Half into A is 2, T is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 meter. Distance traveled by A is 4 meter. What is distance traveled by B? Starts from rest, U is 0, half into A is 2, time for B is 1 square is 1 meter. Distance between A and B is SA minus B is 4 minus 1. So B will be 3 meter behind A at the end of 2 seconds. Is that clear? Next question. The velocity of a body moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration reduces by 3/4 of its initial velocity. Velocity reduces by 3/4 of its initial velocity. That means what is the remaining velocity? Velocity reduces by 3/4 of its initial velocity. What is the remaining velocity? 1/4. So if initial velocity is u, final velocity is 1/4 of u. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes. Time taken is t. Find out acceleration. You know that v is equal to u plus at. V is 1/4 u equal to u plus a into t. 1/4 u minus u is minus 3/4 u equal to at. Or acceleration is minus 3u by 4t. Acceleration is minus 3u by 4t. They're asking total time t dash till the body becomes at rest. I mean stationary, becomes stationary. So initial velocity is u, final velocity is 0. Just find out t dash, and acceleration is minus 3u by 4t. V is equal to u plus at. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is u. Acceleration is minus 3u by 4t into t dash. U equal to 3u by 4t. Okay. U gets cancelled into t dash. T dash is equal to 4 by 3. Understood? Clear? Yes. Next question. A particle starts from rest with a constant acceleration, travels a distance x in first 2 seconds and a distance y in next 2 seconds. Then The ratio of the distance traveled is 2. You know that when an object is thrown from a certain height, dropped from a certain height, yes, the distance traveled in first second, second second, third second is in the ratio 1:3:5. This is also same case, right? Constant acceleration, constant time interval. So the ratio will be 1:3. So y is equal to 3x. Understood? Y is equal to 3x. Or else you need to find out how. X is equal to half a into 2 square. Y is equal to half a into 4 square minus half a into 2 square. Yes. Fine. Should I do this? Yes or no? No, no problem. You don't. You forget about others. You have, everyone close your eyes. Everyone close except everyone close your eyes. Close yours. No one is seeing.
One.
Okay. Tell that. What's the problem? Becca.
Yes.
Should I solve this or not?
Yes.
Okay. Fine, no problem. Body starts from rest. Correct? Yes. What? Any problem? In 2 seconds, it travels a distance x. You're telling that next 2 seconds, it travels a distance y. You need to find the ratio of x and y. Correct. So for first, u is 0. Time taken is 2 seconds. Distance traveled s is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0. Ut is 0. Remaining is half into a into t square. Okay. T square is 2 square. 4. 4 by 2. 2a. Distance traveled x is, can write 2a. Now, we are asking, sorry. So distance traveled from A to B is 2a. They are asking what's the distance traveled from B to C. That means in the next 2 seconds. That is fine. Distance traveled from B to C is distance traveled from A to C minus distance traveled from A to B. Correct? So y is equal to distance traveled from AC minus AB. What is AC? Total distance traveled in 2 plus 2, 4 seconds. So that is equal to y is equal to AC. Find out. Starting from rest, acceleration is a, time is 4, distance AC is half into a into 4 square is to 8a. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2, 8a. So y is 8a minus, what is distance traveled from A to B? 2a is to 6a. What is the ratio? X by y. X is 2a. Y is 6a. 2a by 6a is to 1 by 3. Or y is equal to 6. Yes. Remaining problems we will solve tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Just tomorrow I'll come with some extra questions. Okay. Please try to solve all these problems. Okay. And maybe Tuesday you will have a test on this chapter. Okay.